I was just looking at the market and realized that Tesla was dropping within the range of R3. So I made an entry, 41 shares at 176.14. So I made an entry after this hammer, the breakdown of the 1 minute and the breakdown of the 5 minute candle. The latter was kind of balanced, but we're in a very good position. And my stop loss is a 20 moving average at the moment, 176.75. 60 cents is our R, so plus 176.14. So I have to place my stop loss on 146.74. So that's my stop loss, but 61.20, 180. 176.14. 174.34 will be our first partial. One 174.20, so around the VWAP will be the first partial. So hopefully we have that nice run. I'm gonna aim for previous day close at least. It's 3, but I want to try to work with those. But we are within the selling range, so hopefully we get a nice run. It's about to be 12, so we're gonna get a market confirmation for the day. But I think this is a good entry. We rejected R4, we dropped to R3, and we have a balance level 2, but we have a stack at 175 at least, so hopefully we can get that and incentivize other entries. But it's a Friday, so I should be very careful with this with this trade. So we're gonna attempt to break this low. We're in this previous range that we failed to break them from, so it's gonna be make or do here. And we seem to be losing, and now we just need volume. 174.20. Yeah, this is a very important range, 175.50. We're having this pullback, but it's not really a lot of volume. Spike also going at BWAP. So hopefully we can have a fade lower and a continuation down. 15.30. So I have my targets here. I'm leaving 1/3 to the S3 level. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna look carefully at the volume. We did reverse from this level nicely, but I think this level is important. We kind of use these Camarilla pivots as well, this S3 level. We kind of reject a little bit 175.50, but I'm gonna hold. It's kind of pulling back a little bit. It's fine, it's now below B1, so I'm gonna hold. It's holding on. The 15 minutes testing the 9 moving average. I think this entry is reasonable. We're missing out on stacks down at the bid. Lack of volume is much better for a drop. And we have some at 175, some stacks. So hopefully we can hit those really quick. Yeah, we're having that drop faster. We're gonna test this drop. I might add to my position short after two partials. That's the plan. I'm gonna look carefully at the time on sales. For any interesting developments. The 15-minute chart, we have been having decreasing volume as time goes on, so not a lot of interest in pushing the stock higher. We still have a bearish day, but it is Friday. Let's look at SPY. Yeah, these moves are very erratic. Yeah, the time on sale seemed weak. I would say it's fair to say that Tesla level 2 is balanced. The tape is weak. Slightly weak though. This is the moment where we're starting to create a triangle here. So we're gonna squeeze down or up. Move the mic far, so hopefully the sound's still going through. It's going through. We need to have that drop down, that heavy drop down. There you go. Now we're having that breakdown. Come on. I'm gonna move this this color so that I can see the other ones. Okay, we had a test. Let's see what this is. Okay, that was an attempt to either stop people out before the drop, or the market is testing if we still have sellers. Apparently not. That's a heavy drop. That's the open price. We're testing 175.50. Still a bearish candle. We need to lose the 20 moving average on the 5 minute and the 9 on the 15. It is a Friday though, so I know market gets choppy. Okay, we have to break down 175.50. It's kind of annoying. It's an annoying level, but it's a very important range that will confirm the drop to at least previous day close. Come on, we have to break down 175.50. Okay, we're getting nice market orders. Drop. We need to continue that drop. We hit an order at 175.20, but we have to touch 175. So it's been a dollar move, so at least $41, but it's not enough. So I'm just gonna hold my position for a fade all day and then add on pullbacks. But we need to hit those targets. Okay, large orders at 175. Let's see if we continue that drop. We got some volume on this candle. Hopefully we can sell off. SPY is dropping to S3 and below. Do I have an alert at 2 hour? I don't have one for 2 hour, but I have one for 3 hour. That's interesting. We're dropping heavily now. We're very close to our 3 hour target. We're gonna hold here. That was a big drop. Uh, the ask is clean now, and we have bids coming in, so I'm starting to get more confident. So we're gonna hold here. I'm gonna add those alerts. It's weird. Mm. Mm. We had a very nice drop, the 5 minute candle. We're in the middle of a pullback right now. The 15-minute candle lost the 9 moving average, so I'm still gonna wait. Three. Okay. Max loss to the profit for our profit target. Okay. I'm gonna save this. Yeah, I know we hit 2R. I'm gonna wait for the next 5 minute candle. Okay, we pull back to the 9 moving average. But there is no way I'm gonna add. Especially now we're on a 2R. So that's the plan with Tesla. We can have a nice move, but I cannot partial as much as I want. Okay, now we have to drop. We failed to break down from BWAP. Spies at S3, and it kind of halted with some volume in the 5 minute candle. We're gonna hold. We have a fairly good signal that we might be bouncing back, and that will be the gain of the 9 and 20 moving average on the 5 minutes. It's much to do but wait, but We had a but a full dollar move on Tesla in our favor. I'm gonna look at level two. Now we have more stacks to the top side. Why? We need to break out BWAP. This drop, this approach to BWAP was with a lot of volume, but we bounced off the open price. No, not really. We're gaining the open price now. Just gotta let it run. Spice slowly crawling down. Now we're definitely at 2 hour, but I suppose the alert doesn't really reset. Wait, what? How many alerts can I have? Well, we dropped below the 9 moving average on the 15 minutes. So I think it's going to be a slower crawl with pullbacks, but still bearish. I'm still bearish. I think 175.80, 175.90 will be my stop loss. Spice is struggling at S3, so I'm going to be patient with Tesla. We have to close open price with confidence. I have a bid at 174.40, but I have two bids, three asks for three all the way up to 176, 177, and the bid is more empty. Maybe that could be why we're struggling. But the market is struggling at S3 and it's about to lose it, so I'm just gonna hold on for the ride. Okay, so 13, 13, 14. Okay, so I have all of attempting to just get out at 2 hour. I need to save this. It's some back and forth that the alert just resets. But there is nothing I can do anymore. I changed my stop loss to a reasonable, to the BPOC, about just above this BPOC area, in case it just proves us wrong. And then we're just gonna hold for the partials. I hope that we can at least hit one partial. for our move. The good thing is that we're dropping on volume on these pullbacks, but okay, now we have a more balanced ladder, so now the fight's starting to happen. We're gonna really try to push down 175 because now it's a more balanced fight. And this wedge is trying to break out to the top side according to my reading of the geometry of the candlesticks and the moving averages. But the 5 minutes still bearish. The 15 minutes definitely bearish. Just so we can drop heavier. The good thing is that it has a nice tight spread of 2-3 cents at most. Okay, that's a bearish candle. Just drop to below BWAP. We need to test BWAP. Buys regaining S3. We had a lot of volume. We had a spike of volume. Let's see how far it squeezes us out to. Could just be a fake squeeze, a test of the 20 moving average. But yeah, I placed that stop loss to protect us from having it run against us. Level 2 is a bit still balanced. They're still fighting. But yeah, there's nothing I can do now. Yeah, there is no volume to the top side. Even though the order book is heavy, it will be manipulation, but it is heavy. The volume here, no intention. So maybe a pullback before a heavy drop. We got volume SPY on the bounce of S3. It's gonna hold. We're still holding the 5-minute candle. Yeah, it's a big squeeze. It's a lot of people who have their stop loss there. We almost got trigger. Okay, yeah, we got stopped out here. Yep. Did I do it wrong? Okay, whatever. We're getting out of my position. Yeah, we got stopped out here. Let's see if it was a smart decision to move our stop loss. Either way, I'm gonna have to think about what to do now. But we're getting a very big squeeze. Maybe the better trade will be take Nvidia. Yeah, that's a big bullish candle. Yeah, the market was just with bullish intentions. But that's all my trading. 2 attempts and one pretty much at break even, tiny profit. It was a valid trade though. Using my share size for $1 and 50 cents. We got $1.50 move. So because it's Tesla and I cannot buy that many shares because of the margin requirements, I wasn't really able to profit. We got close to 3R though. Let's see. We got rid of most sources in the book, but the market is very bullish. It is really respecting the S3. So I think I'm done for the day. I really missed out on Nvidia. 2-3 chances to make an entry, 4 if you count this one. But I was more focused on Tesla because of my bearish bias. So that's it for today.